What's going on, everybody? Aaron here with Attention to Detail in Highland, Indiana. Today we are coating a Mercedes S550, and we've got two of our best paint correction and ceramic coating experts on this S550. We got Luis and we got Alex. So we're actually applying ceramic coating to the bottom half. We did a gloss black, mirror black paint protection film to the top half to make it look very similar to a Maybach. And I wanted to give you guys a rundown and a little bit of education and the benefits of why a ceramic coating, why they're so important, and why you should get one from us. So ceramic coatings, there's a few misnomers actually in this industry of what a ceramic coating is and isn't. And so I want to kind of lay out some of the facts for you. So ceramic coating is a liquid silicone dioxide polymer that actually gets applied on by hand in a crosshatch motion to the paint, as you can see Alex doing here. So we apply it left to right, top to bottom, and the goal is to add on that ceramic onto the actual paint itself. We let it sit for anywhere between 5 and 7 minutes. Ceramic coatings have different, what they call flash times or cure times on the paint. Then we go back behind it and we basically level, it's called leveling, these ceramic coatings. So we flatten the ceramic coating, remove all the excess residue and extra ceramic that is not able to get into the pores of the clear coat in the paint. That leveling process is what basically flattens it. And it's very similar to like Mr. Miyagi's wax style of wax on, wax off. It's very, very similar. And what we do is we're applying it on, waiting for it to flash, and then we buff off the excess to give the exterior all of that chemical resistance and easier maintenance. Resistance from tar, tree sap, acidic rain, harmful UV rays, paint overspray. The surface gets really slick as well, and it makes it extremely easy to clean and maintain, actually cutting your wash time in half. You want easier maintenance, easier protection from the elements on the exterior of the vehicle. Now, one of the misnomers in the detailing and ceramic coating and paint protection and enhancement industry is that ceramic coatings protect from swirl marks, scratches, and rock chips, or it helps protect the paint from key marks, scratches, and that's actually not the case, believe it or not. It's actually really important that you know a ceramic coating is protecting you from the elements and not from scratches and rock chips. That would be our paint protection film service, which is a clear bra film that goes on the vehicle to protect from those physical damages like rock chips, dings, scratches, scrapes. So a ceramic coating is essentially there to help with chemical resistance, easier maintenance, and stop the fading on your vehicle. Most clients do this with darker colored vehicles, although we have a lot of vehicles that are lighter colored as well. You can see Luis here actually leveling the coating. We do a 3 leveling process, 3 towel leveling. So the first 2 towels are gonna be around 300 to 350 GSMs, edgeless, and then we do a final wipe with a 550 edgeless GSM microfiber towel. You can see the third wipe is going on now, and that's going to basically ensure that there's no high spots or extra ceramic coating on the surface that was not removed properly. Now, one of the things and a lot of the questions that people have regarding ceramic coatings is the price. And that's something that we get every single day when people call us and they say, hey, what's the price to ceramic coat my BMW? Or what's the price to ceramic coat my Toyota Tundra? Or what's the price to ceramic coat my Honda Civic or my Honda Accord? And what's very, very important is that ceramic coatings range in price, and you want to make sure that you know what you're actually paying for. So let me break it down for you. So there's 3 charges when it comes to our invoices. The first charge that you're going to get is our wash and decontamination charge. That charge is set for any vehicle, and that's going to be $600 as of 2025. And that $600 covers your full foam wash on the vehicle, removing all the main dirt and grime. We clean up the rims, the tires, the wheel barrels, the wheel wells, the brake calipers, all the brake dust, and we detail brush every single crack and crevice of the exterior with like a makeup brush to remove any of the dirt and grime and debris that's lodged inside of all the emblems, the letters, all the trim pieces, the wheels, windows, all of that. Then after that, we do our decontamination, decontaminating the paint from, well, contamination. So we start off with an iron decontamination to remove any iron particles, brake dust, and road grime. Then we do a clay bar treatment as well, and that clay bar removes any embedded contamination that's in the paint, stuff you can't really see with your eyes, but you can actually feel with your hands, and you can even hear it. So that's very important to note that we do an iron decontamination, a clay bar treatment, and then we even go a step further, which no shops in the Midwest do, and that's called a wax-off treatment. So what wax-off does is a product from South Korea. Fireball wax-off is applied on the paint, buffed on to remove any existing waxes, sealants, dealership, stuff like that, to remove any of that prior to our paint correction process. So that's our $600 charge. Then you have the paint correction charge. Now we do a multi-stage paint correction. Our goal with your vehicle is that when you get it back to you, it is literally as perfection as possible. We operate on what's called the drift model, DRFT. That stands for done right the first time. So when it comes to paint correction, we always do a multi-stage. It's 3 stages, and we get the paint as perfect as possible. That is going to be the bulk of your pricing. Now, the bulk of your pricing is the paint correction, generally going to be anywhere between $1,000 and $1,500 for a full paint correction. That is a true paint correction. Now, paint correction is the removal of swirl marks, light scratches, fading, and oxidation. Paint correction is not touch-up paint. It's not filling in, color correction, none of that. Paint correction is simply like a better term for buffing, removing the swirls and light scratches in paint. Now, paint correction comes in 3 levels. The first stage is called our heavy cut, and we use a rotary buffer. The rotary machine is going to remove any of the deeper swirls, deeper scratches, going on a forced rotation to remove as many of the swirls and scratches as quick as possible without putting a lot of heat on the clear coat. So that's going to be your first step. That's going to remove all the deep swirls, the deep scratches. The second step is going to be what we call our scrub. And our scrub is with a dual action polisher and a microfiber pad. And that's going to basically remove any of the deeper swirls and deeper scratches that we create from the rotary, and also start to refine the paint back to that mirror-like, candy-like, gloss-like finish. Then we do our exterior polish, and that's with our product called the Bee's Knees. And what our exterior polish does is it actually removes any of the light swirl marks, any of the hazing, anything from those other 2 steps, and creates this just perfectly flat clear coat to give the vehicle that mirror-like, just candy-like, glossy finish. You could literally shave in the finish. You could do your makeup in that finish. And that is our third step, the polish step. So to recap, our paint correction is anywhere between $1,000 and $1,500 for a vehicle. We do a multi-stage paint correction. We start with a heavy cut with a rotary, then we do a scrub with a dual action, and we finally finish with our finishing polish, the Bee's Knees, and that's with a dual action as well. Once all of that's complete, we clean the vehicle up. We do an isopropyl alcohol bath to remove any of the oils that's on the paint, and then we start the ceramic coating process. Now, ceramic coatings by themselves, if you were to just ceramic coat the vehicle, that line item is going to be $800. So we charge $800 to ceramic coat your vehicle. Trucks and bigger SUVs are a little bit more. Now, with that $800, that's the application, what you see behind me. From start to finish on a full vehicle, it takes about 2 hours, and that is the application I talked about at the start of the video. So when you put all 3 of those together, you have about $1,000, you have $800 and $600. You're looking at anywhere between $2,300 and about $3,000 for a full application of a ceramic coating, and that's on the paint only. That does not include the trims getting coated, like your headlights, your taillights, your front grille, back plastics, mirrors, chrome, emblems, your rims, your tires, or any of your windows. So those are all add-ons that we can add on as well to make what we call here at Attention to Detail our showroom package. So that is the starter package that I explained with the ceramic coating. It's very important that you understand that a ceramic coating is not just washing a vehicle and applying the ceramic by hand and it's now magically perfect. The entire wash and decontamination process, the full-on paint correction process, and the ceramic coating is really what puts everything together and why we charge so much here at Attention to Detail. Now, operating on the drift model done right the first time, our coatings last for 7 years. We use what's called Fireball Butterfly, and that 7-year coating is protecting from, like I said at the beginning, the elements. You can watch them doing this ceramic on the rear taillights, on the back hatch. Looks absolutely fantastic. And down the side of the vehicle, you can actually see that just candy-like, rich, mirror, glossy finish. That is what you're going for when you're ceramic coating. With the paint correction and the ceramic coating combined, that's what gives you that mirror-like, just candy-like, glossy finish that you want on your vehicle. Now, if you have any questions or you want to come in for a consultation so we can actually look at your vehicle in person, just give me a call. My name's Aaron. You can call me at 219-533-8783. Again, 219-533-8783. I hope you enjoyed this video. A little bit of education on what a ceramic coating is, what goes into a ceramic coating. The process, that's another question we get, is the process and how long it takes. Normally a vehicle is here between 3 and 4 business days. So that's just something to note. If you want to get any paint corrections, ceramic coatings, you're looking to get your vehicle done by us, just give me a call, 219-533-8783. You can also visit us on our website, www.attn2detail.info. Thanks again so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Or our email, service@attn2detail.info. Thanks so much. Hope to hear from you soon. And if you want a consultation, just give us a call. Thanks, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day. Aaron, out.